Hi, this is Dan Weedin. I'm a nationally recognized insurance expert, and today we're going to talk about car insurance quotes. If you watch enough TV, you'll see lots of advertisements out there by insurance companies wanting to give you a quote. Let's talk about how that quote process works. There's several different ways to get quotes. Number one is you can go in online nowadays and probably by yourself get a quote. You can call into somebody and talk to them over the phone and get a quote that way. Or you can walk into an insurance agent's office and they'll give you a quote as well. A couple things that you want to keep in mind. Number one is you want to make sure that you have adequate protection for your vehicle and for yourself, and that the quotes are the same no matter where you go. The other thing you need to think about is, okay, I've received a quote from XYZ agency. How firm is that quote? Or I've received it over the internet. How firm is that quote? Well, one thing you'll often note on the quote sheet that you get is this is subject to underwriting. They're going to run your driving history before they give you a final policy. They're going to run your driving history, and they're going to make sure that what you said regarding your driving history is true. If you forgot about a moving violation, and that honestly happens sometimes, your quote might change. They may also take a look at some of the other underwriting factors: how far you drive to work, where you live, what type of job you have. I mean, there's a lot of different things that go into being able to get an insurance quote. And if something changes, they could change your auto quote. So is it firm? 85–90% of the time it probably is, but it doesn't have to be. So make sure when you're getting auto insurance quotes, you are getting a quote that is based on an apples to apples quote. Everybody's quoting the same limits. It's adequate for your needs, and that you make sure that the questions you're answering are as truthful as possible, because if something else comes up that you may have forgotten, it could change your quote. This is Dan Weedin, and today we've been talking about car insurance quotes. Thanks for watching.